Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, participating in the Traci Reed Designs I Voted YouTube Hop. This is the layout that I'm sharing with you today called Cast My Vote, and this is all about Asher's first time voting in this year's election. Please know that there is no political discussions here, no talking about who voted for who or who you should vote for. That is strictly personal and will not be discussed here. So what I've done is printed out 3 of the background pattern papers, just in a very simple layout here. A little bit of the blue star pattern paper as a dividing point, and then the alphabets on the bottom pattern paper. I am absolutely in love with these. Traci created them herself, and the Cast My Vote words are in the sticker pack, or the Ellie's pack with the collection. And so they balance out the bottom as the title there at the top. And a very simple single photo for the page of myself and Alan and Asher, all 3 together going to early vote this year. So these are some of the items that I printed out here. The Femininomenon card is an extra journal card pack, and I think you'll enjoy having a play with that pack of journal cards. And then the ballot box, check that out. The Together We Decide, I really love that one as a statement of what we're doing here. The polling place sign, all of these are so fitting, and they work so well no matter which way you vote, no matter what your concerns are in this particular election. This is simply a collection for anyone in the U.S., and I think that there have been also some international folks who are using this because our election does affect the entire world, it seems like. So what I'm doing, there was a balance between the top and the bottom of the layout. I'm also creating a balance between the 2 sides, and so there's a cluster on each side of the photo here, just taking an opportunity to use some of these great embellishments in the kit. And then here, I promise I'll slide the layout up here in just a second. There we go. Added a journal card here at the bottom for my journaling, adding some lines here. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that is my treasured Becky Higgins line stamp. It's no longer sold anymore. I've probably had it for like 15 years or something, but I love using it for printed out journal cards that don't already have lines on them, because I struggle to journal if there aren't lines there or I'm adding them after the fact. So I'm going to journal down here, and then you can see to the side here is a big bowl of just, I don't know, probably 25 or so stars that I printed out. And so what I'm going to do is adhere those around the page strategically, just adding a bit more pattern papers and a bit more texture and dimension to the page. I am going to use foam adhesive. I'm out of foam dots. Don't tell anybody. She says to the entire YouTube world. But I will speed up through this process a little bit so that it's not totally boring for you just using foam tape instead of pop dots. But it still does the trick and adds that dimension that I like to see in my layouts, and makes those stars pop out from the background too, because it is a bit of a busy background between the pattern papers and all of the embellishments that I've added, and I love that. I love using all the things and just having a good play with these layouts. And let's see, that's going to be it for today, and thank you so much for joining us. I hope you will check out the other participants of this fun YouTube hop, and I will also have, of course, links to the product down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.